starting a segment on Tuesdays. We're going to call it Top Tips and Tricks, and it's going to be a segment where we can just cover some topics for you that you might find really handy with your horses. So if there's anything that you'd like us to talk about, just leave it in the comments below this video. So today's topic is about horses that want to walk into you, i.e. those horses that want to come in for cuddles all the time. It's a very interesting phenomenon. Now, horses that walk into your space, it can range from horses that are walking in and knocking you over to those that are just kind of creeping on in and just coming in when you don't ask them to. So we really need to understand how this works from a horse's point of view. If you watch horses interacting together in a paddock, there's always a pecking order. And if you watch how they actually determine that pecking order, it's all about how they make other horses move out of their space. So in fact, what they do is they make the other horses move their feet. So a horse will come to the trough and say, hey, move out of the way, that's my time to drink, and the other horse will give way and move its feet. Same with bits of grass or the feed bin. So if a horse comes into your space and you move your feet out of the way, they instantly think that they're up the pecking order from you. So it's something that you really need to be aware of. It's something that's extremely significant to the horse and not so significant to us. So it's all right to invite your horse in and have cuddles. There's nothing better. But he also needs to know that when there's nothing going on and you need a bit of space, you might have got off during a ride and you might need some clear space to deal with a fence that's giving you trouble, or you need him out of your space. So you need to be able to say, hey buddy, just back on out. Stay on out there and wait for me. And that's his job in that moment, is to stand out there and just wait. And when I want to invite him in, I'll do just that. I'll invite him in. Come on in. So he can come on in for a rub when he's invited. It's a little bit like kids coming on in while you're having a conversation with someone and they're pulling on your shirt to try and get your attention. It's a respect issue. And for a horse, it's really significant because he knows that he's up the totem pole from you if he does it to you. So just be aware of that. Hope you found that helpful.